Greetings from a very sunny and a very warm, not super warm, but a very comfortably warm, sunny day in Nashville, Tennessee. So we are currently in the downtown area of Nashville. We're going to try Prince's hot chicken. That was the recommendation that we got yesterday from the guy who said that Hattie B's was overrated. However, mommy gave Hattie B's chicken a 10 out of 10. So we gotta see what Prince is giving. And there's also like this book that we picked up. It said that like the best hot chicken in Nashville was Hattie B's, and then up second was Prince's. So we're gonna see for ourselves and explore downtown Nashville, Tennessee. See what we can get into. So let's go. So this is downtown Nashville, Tennessee. The country music capital. I have no idea what's happening down here today, but okay. Bridgestone Arena. It looks lively today. And today is a Wednesday at 1:32 p.m. My boy, it is lively. So this is Asaembly Food Hall, Nashville's biggest food hall. This is Hattie B's. The line for Hattie B's is crazy. I'm happy we got to try it yesterday, but let's hope that the line for Prince's is not going the same way. Is somewhere right and upstairs, and then around here is just like shopping areas. And this is where we're trying to go, right here. Alright, so this is the inside of Asaembly Hall. of Prince's Nashville hot chicken. So he said to be the original. I'm like struggling. So she got some of Prince's hot chicken, French fries, potato salad and cream roll, and mac and cheese with cornbread, and then sweet teas and biscuit spread, potato salad. Bon appetit. Alright, so we just finished eating. I had food from pharmacy and it was really, really good, right? I had the Impossible Burger. The french fries was good. Honestly, I have no complaints about my food. On the other hand, mommy has made it clear that one, Hattie B's is not overrated. She said it still stands 10 out of 10. There was some faults that was found with Prince's hot chicken. She said that her chicken tenders was dry, the food was served cold, and it just wasn't that great. Like, she does not agree at all. Like, she's so annoyed. Excuse me, because Prince's is said to be the original hot chicken in Nashville. But she said Hattie B's had it from service, friendliness, taste, quality, had it. The service overall from Hattie B's, everything about Hattie B's was a 10 out of 10 experience for mommy. And for Prince's, what would you give it out of 10? And she just rolled her eyes and said she would give her experience at Prince's a 4. The overall experience from the service to the food, the quality of the food, the taste, the flavor, all of that, a 4 out of 10. So there you have it. Hattie B's reigns supreme in the hot chicken, Nashville hot chicken.
The cornbread.
And then and then the cornbread was it was dry, like drier than a Popeye's biscuit, for reference. So if you know, you know. We're not bashing Prince's at all. It just, today wasn't their day. That's what I'm gonna say. And these are honest reviews because we paid for the food, and yeah. So there you have it. Whenever in Nashville, Tennessee, Hattie B's for the win when you want to come for Nashville hot chicken. Alright, so quickly before we leave, I'm going to show you how the place is up. So this was the pharmacy where I got my Impossible Burger. This was it. And then this right here is Prince hot chicken. So this is supposed to be the original hot burger. Just show you how it looks in the mall. So there you have it. We've seen how Prince's look in pharmacy look. As you know, there's a Hattie B's here too. It's outside when you first walk in. That was the long line that we saw when I was walking up. So as you know, Hattie B's for the win each and every time, because in just terms of grading the chicken, nothing else. Mommy said out the gate the chicken was a 10 out of 10.